And we're live for live stream 348, I believe. And we've seen the market pull back to around about where we closed yesterday on NQ. Similar scenario over on ES. We can see that we rallied overnight after having a pretty big rally after CPI yesterday. Had the market open and we've just seen selling across the board. Currently, we're looking at a range of 176 points, high to low on NQ, 4150 on ES, and 29.9, so pretty normal for gold, slightly on the downside, and 144 on oil. So let's remove the fib from yesterday, and let's add a new fib for today. Let's add a fib for today. So I'm going to, hold on a second. Let's see. That appears to be the lows right there. The highs of pre-market. $46.25, that seems about right. We'll add that there. Go back down to the 1 minute. You can see we are looking for shorts. Let's see. Could take a short right here. Just stop right there. Put a target right there. We'll see. Let's have a look at the other instruments. So we'll have to remove the fib from yesterday on our friends over at ES. Seems made new all-time highs. The market's pulling back a bit today. Got a 15-minute chart up. Let's draw the fib. So there's a previous all-time highs around 68.50. Seems we're heading down there. Currently trading 72.50s at the moment. Let's see. Overnight lows right there. And the highs are about 95.75. 96. Hold on a second here. That's incorrect. That's not the highs. The highs are 90. Let's see. That wouldn't have worked. There's an next setup right there. That's incorrect. That's too many contracts. Let's see if we get picked up. Maybe about to get picked up on our friends over at NQ. Of course, we missed out on the trade from earlier. So, who knows? Could reverse and punish me, but we'll see. We will see. Thursdays are my worst day in terms of trading, so I'm going to delete the fib from yesterday. I go into the 15 minute. appears to be the lows from pre-market. This appears to be the highs. 17.7 appears to be correct. One, let's up, so we've been triggered in something. Ah, that's interesting. Missed out on the long. Came to the charts too early. Well, too late. Should have been here at 11:30. Missed out on the longs. Let's see. I think you would have already hit target. Let's see. Yeah, would have hit target. Would have hit target. Cancel that order. Wait for another setup. So the risky areas, especially with the market, I've gone on to hit target already, is that I am now caught in a reverse. Actually, around the oh my word, pre-market lows. Market could reverse from here. 23.25. Where have I got this? That's not right. $21.75. So let's see. So that's a pre-market lows. I'm taking a short pretty close to it, and I trade that's late. Certainly it's gonna be problematic. Decision time. Decision time. We can see here that ES is certainly more bullish than NQ. We are looking at a market at all-time highs. We are looking at a market at all-time highs. Let's bring down the stop a bit. Let's bring down the stop a bit. Got quite a bit of risk on the table. This market could certainly V-shape reverse from here after testing the pre-market lows. And go on to hit my stop. Let's take 27.5. Because ES is in such a crucial area, I think I'm going to use ES as the guide. So we're down to 72.50, 8 ticks away. That's a long way away. A long way away. Gonna take the stop down on both. Because I'm not confident, because I am shorting near all-time highs. I am certainly concerned about that. Oh, wow. Coming down towards target here. Target hit. Wow. Target hit again. Come on. So, target hit right there. 2 trades, 2 wins. Certainly could have had a bigger target over on our friends at NQ. But wasn't to be. Was not to be. Oh, hold on. I have not... My board is not correct. Still have on the numbers from yesterday. Let's get the P&L from today tallied up. So we've picked up so far 22,500 before commissions and 27,500. That gives us 50. So let's make sure we have that on there. We have 50. So I've updated that little widget on the chart. So we've picked up 50. And we've been trading for about 13 minutes. Or a bit less, considering I was just writing up maybe 10 minutes. Seeing our friends over at gold here. Let's see what our friends gold doing. Goodness me, that was such a good setup. Poor discipline on my part not being at charts at 11:30 Eastern. Such a good setup right there. Such a good setup. See, the thing is, could go either way here. See, this is an area where we could go either. Actually, it wouldn't even be a short. So there was a long right here. Let's see. I don't want to start messing around with orders and accidentally get triggered. But you know what? Let's put it right there. See, there was a long trade right there. See, that would have hit target. Couldn't have taken that trade. That was after. That was before 11:30. This long could have been taken. This short could have been taken as well. This short could have been taken. Hold on a second here. Let's see. Yep, that would have hit target as well. Interesting. Very interesting. You know what? I came in. I've got what I've wanted from the markets, because I do have a few projects away from trading to be looking at, so I think I'm going to call it here and not push my luck. So let's have a look. Came to the market a bit later than I should have. Certainly missed out on a long trade there. Short trade would have suffered a fair bit, would have eventually worked. Took this short trade here, and that's of course worked. And over on, let's see, NQ. Could have come to the market, would not have taken that. Let's see. This would have caused me a lot of anxiety, but if I had stuck to the plan, would not have been stopped out. Would have got to target. And this here, of course, got to target. So over on gold, got to the market at the correct time. Would have took this long, would have worked. So hindsight now. Let's have a look at the two trades I did take. Only took the two trades, 27.5, 22.5. And with that, I'm going to wrap up the video. It's going to be a shorter one today because I've got a few things to deal with away from trading. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.